Mama Programa Ohana. It's me, Miss Doyle, your drama mama. And today we have a craft project. Today we're making sock puppets. Drama, 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 drama. All you really need to make a sock puppet is a sock. Any kind of sock will do. Old stripy sock, your little brother's gym sock, your own gym sock. But remember, these are clean. They don't smell stinky. Wash those socks first. And this is my favorite kind of sock to use. It's a little fuzzy, furry, cozy sock. Why? Because it'll have a little texture for your funny sock puppet character. In fact, I dressed up like a sock puppet character. Big eyes, yarn hair. And for our sock puppets, we're going to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So find things like this around your house. Your grandmother's curlers. The top of a dishwashing or laundry detergent bottle. A peanut butter top. Ooh, the top of a milk jug. Orange juice lid. Old medical equipment tubes. And more curlers. Let's make sock puppets. We will. Oh, baby. Here we go. Once you've got all the ingredients, play around with some ideas. So we start with the sock and that foam, and we got a simple pattern about the size of the sock, one oval, and two halves of the oval. Cut those out. Remember, hot glue is hot. Be really careful. Hot glue should be called hot glue. But glue those little halves onto the hole, leaving some space in the middle for a fold. This will be our mouth. Yep. Now turn that sock so your fingers fit at the top and the back of your hand is at the heel. Turn it inside out and slide that foamy mouth inside the sock. Just like you did with your hand. But now your fingers slide in just right. Yeah, there you go. Practice opening and closing the mouth. When it's right, you can get that hot glue and glue it in. Remember to be careful, leaving space for your fingers to slide in. Perfecto. Now cut just a little piece of foam. I used reds, but you can use any color, for a tongue. And let that tongue hang out a little bit. It's funny that way. Now grab one of those curlers and an old piece of fabric. I'm using an old hat, and cut it
and roll it with a little hot glue. There we go. Roll it up to cover the curler. And this will make a perfect head. Something that we can glue the eyes and the hair onto. Put your hand in and find just the right spot to use that hot glue. Hold it in place. Now, I like to layer up the eyes. Start with a googly. Use a couple of tops from different products you find around your house or in recycling, or your neighbor's recycling. And glue on those big eyes. Looking good. Now play with some noses. All different kinds. There's so many different kinds of caps, from household cleaners to foods and drinks. You might want to cut a cap in half. That one's from a jar of honey. But I think we'll go with this from a little sugary strawberry syrup jar. Looking fun. Now grab that same piece of fabric that you used for the mouth and now use it to tie some hair up. Wrap, 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 wrap. Wrap, 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 wrap. Wrap, 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 wrap. And then finally cut it off. Cut an extra string to tie all those together. All those long strings get tied in the middle so they don't fall apart. Perfect. Make 3 of those. Any colors you like. Now it's time to glue these hair pieces onto the puppet. We'll start with one side. Be careful of the hot glue. The second side. Now they kind of look like ponytails. You could even leave it like that if you like. Put your hand in. Try it. See if you like it. We want lots of fun expressions. I think I want more hair. Could be a mustache too, but I'll go for the hair on top of the head. Spread out the hair, the yarn hair. Glue it on. Maybe throw in a couple extra hairs right at the center. Exactly. Yeah, they look great. Now play. By the way, you can also make horns. You can make single color monochromatic puppets. Sleeping. What? Back to sleep. What? What?
Alright, Grandma Programa Ohana, You've made your sock puppets. Now let's make a show. There's no such thing as too goofy or too dramatic. All right, sock it to me.
Drama, 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 drama.